Welcome back to the channel. In this video, explain Campus Student app review to see if it worth using. So let's get started with the app review about Campus Student. The Campus Student app serves as a centralized hub for students to access campus resources such as class schedules, grades, campus news, event calendars, building maps, and learning management systems like Blackboard or Canvas. It streamlines daily life for students by replacing multiple apps with a single portal. Users frequently appreciate its convenience and functionalities, praising the features like real-time alert for schedule changes and push notification for important deadlines. However, experience varies based on the intuition. Some user report slow performance, occasional crashes, missing features, or confusing navigation, especially if the app lack regular update. The integrations with the campus system can be even, leading to delay in grades or event information. Ultimately, the campus student is worth using if your school actively maintain and update it. It can save times and centralize resources, but its reliability depends largely on your campus ICT support and commitment to keep the app current. And that's it. Hope you find the review a little bit helpful. Leave it a turn on the vision button and make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.